Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Threat Tracker showing a clear to partly cloudy sky tonight. Chance for some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Best chances in the morning. And then there's a question mark on what happens later in the afternoon. And I'll explain that in here in just a second. Another chance at a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Those will be isolated in nature as we head into the day on Tuesday. Now, there's a risk for severe weather across parts of eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, northern parts of Illinois, even southern parts of Minnesota. Some of these could be severe later on in the afternoon or evening hours, even into the overnight as we get into tomorrow. But tonight, all is quiet across the area. It's going to be a lot more humid around here tomorrow all the way through Thursday. Look at these dew points getting into the middle 70s at times. Very muggy conditions. It gets a little bit better, but that's still Friday, still many days off. So with the heat and the humidity, because temperatures will be near 90 degrees, the two hottest days coming up here on Monday and Tuesday, heat index will be up around 100, 105. Heat index will be around, let's say, low 90s. Some spots will be into the mid 90s, and then it gets a little bit better as we get into Friday. Again, that humidity level starts to drop just a little bit. Wind is on the light side here tonight. During the day tomorrow, it's a south wind running at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. There could be some higher gusts every once in a while, but generally a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. Now, thunderstorms. Nothing here this evening. We have a clear sky. So if you're going to either watch or set off fireworks, it should be okay. After midnight, the sky will become partly cloudy. Future Track, one model in particular, showing showers and thunderstorms moving into the region. These storms could be here, they could be here, but generally they'll be moving into eastern Iowa as we get towards 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning. Those thunderstorms will move eastward. Locally heavy rain, some gusty winds, a possibility with that. At lunchtime, still a couple of storms around. These will finally move away, and then we dry out. Now the question comes, where's the severe weather late afternoon into the evening hours and into the overnight? Now that's a big question. We'll have to see how those storms in the morning mess with the atmosphere as we get into the afternoon. So we'll have to wait till tomorrow morning or early afternoon to get a better handle on the timing and if these storms develop. Now if they don't develop, we're dry here through the evening and even into the overnight in most cases. But if they do develop, they'll be late in the afternoon, and the other question is just where. Remember, we have eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, northern portions of Illinois have the potential for some thunderstorms developing. Future Track here showing some thunderstorms, and notice where they are, Wisconsin and Illinois. Not a whole lot here in eastern Iowa as we head through the evening and into the overnight hours. So this could be a potential. It could be a potential where they're over eastern Iowa. Again, we still don't know that in particular, all the details, until we can understand what the storms tomorrow morning do. As you can see, the thunderstorms move off towards the south and east, leaving behind sunshine as we get into the day on Tuesday. So stay up to date on the forecast here tomorrow. We got the thunderstorms in the morning, and then we'll have to see how that plays out and how that messes with the atmosphere, or as the storms may or may not redevelop in the afternoon. I know, it's one of those we just don't know until we know. Right? Temperatures in the upper 60s to about 70 degrees during the day tomorrow. Again, thunderstorms are likely in the morning. What happens in the afternoon, we'll have to play that out as we head through the day. 83 north, 92 in the south, and it's going to be real muggy around here. Isolated storm a possibility Tuesday, a little better shot coming up here on Wednesday. Look at the temperatures on Tuesday. Some spots could be into the middle and upper 90s. Take a look at some more thunderstorm chances here for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be hovering near 90 degrees through the weekend and next week with overnight lows, upper 60s and low 70s.